Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Where today we got this big old slime package, and I did look in it right before the video, so that's why it's open and stuff. But there's like only like, let me count again. There's only 5 slimes in it, so it's sad. But let's get to it. So
Let's get to it.
yeah. So the first slime I ordered was like okay, it was like, this one was like $5, and it's a really pretty pink color. Super cold actually. There's like a very little bit of flown beads in it. There's only like 2 flown beads in it. Like really, it's like a really pretty pink color.
Can I play with the slime, guys?
Hold on. And
Rudy.
no, Frankie. And I'm gonna call this one. Well, the official name of it was Pink Cotton Candy. And I think I got another one that's called Blue Cotton Candy. I'm not sure. Oh wait, and I'll be right back. Okay,
We're back.
They gave us this. They gave us some Model Magic, and they said just add lotion to it, and it'll be butter slime. So thank you. You ready? Moving on. I love that slime too. Okay. The next one is supposed to be a clear slime, but it's actually not super clear yet. See, ready? I'm gonna poke it. Can't see through it though.
Can I have some?
You can't see through it.
Can
and
I
it came
hold
with, this one's supposed to be called like Summer Dreams.
Can I hold it?
No, we're gonna let it clear up, okay?
I want some.
No, we're letting it clear up. Okay, so that one's that. Okay, then we have this one. This one is called Blue Cotton Candy, and it has some flow beads in it. Super stretchy, like super duper stretchy. Yeah. Alright, next one. This one is a super pretty gray one. I don't know, this one's like called like Storm Cloud or something. So it's like super pretty. I only have like 30 more seconds, so there's a whole bunch of foam beads in it. So moving on. And this one. This one's my favorite one. And yeah, it's a clear slime.
Let's do it again.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. You should really order these. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Can we watch it?
It didn't stop yet. Okay. Okay, bye.